and I was a sinner too. And I heard a voice from heaven saying, there is work for you to do. So I took my master's hand and I joined that Christian band. I am on the battlefield, yeah, for my Lord. One more thing I'd like to tell you, listen. I left my friend and kindred, bound for the promised land, y'all. I had the grace of God upon me, in the Bible in my hand. In a distant land I taught, crying sinners, come on to God. I am on the battlefield for my Lord. So glad I'm on the battlefield for my Lord. Yes, I am. I am on the battlefield for my Lord. And I promised him that I would serve him till I die. I am on the battlefield for my